Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In this video, we will learn how to install the current Java version on Windows 10. Let's start. At first, go to your favorite web browser and just search for JDK download. Press enter. Now here you can see it's showing me the official website oracle.com. You need to just click on this Java downloads link and it will redirect to this page, right? So here you can see Java 23, 21 and Java 17 available now. So I want to install Java 23, right? So here you can see it's showing different OS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows button and I want to install JDK 23 installer file, right? So this is 64-bit installer. So I will click on this link and it's now downloading JDK 23, right? So now downloads is complete. Just open, just double click on that, minimize all window, click on next, finish, right? So open your command prompt, type Java dash version. Here it's showing me Java 1.8, right? So first we have to set the path of, first go to C drive. Here you can see there is a folder named program files. Go to Java folder and here you can see JDK 23, right? Double click on that, select here till bin, right? Till bin, select all, copy, go to this PC properties and here you can go advanced system setting and now click on edit environment variables, right? And here just click on new button, Java underscore home and paste it here. Remove bin, only 23, JDK 23, right? And here you can see there is a path. Click on edit button, click on new and just paste this, right? And move this top. Select this, OK. Select path, Java home, OK. OK. Again open your command prompt. Now type Java dash version. Now here you can see it's showing me latest Java version 23, right? So let's create a program. Just open your notepad and create a class A. Create main method public static void main, right? String arguments system dot out dot println, right? Pass the message here. Thanks for watching. You can pass any message, right? I'm passing here. Thanks for watching. Save the file with class name. Where you want to save? I have created a folder learn Java, right? Save program a dot Java. Save as type all files. Save the program. Close this program. Open your command prompt. So where I have saved my program in F drive. So type F colon enter cd learn Java, right? Type dir a.java file we have created, right? So type Java C for compilation a.java. So to run the program, just type Java and class name. What is class name? A, right? So here you can see it's giving me output. Thanks for watching, right? So in today's video, we learn how to install JDK 23 and how we can set the path, right? And we will also learn how to write a simple first program in Java, right? That's all guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.